Here, got a special little video for you guys today. Got my grandson Christian here, and he's gonna pick these 4 master lock warded locks. Say hi, Christian.
Hi.
And yeah, so here we go. He's gonna show you that they're all locked up. Do it in the camera. Okay, here's 1, 2, 3, and 4. Alright, go ahead and pick away. Keep it up here a little bit. There you go. There you go. There's 1. Okay, next one. There's 2. Keep it up in the camera. There you go, there you go. And there's 3. And there's 4. Alright guys, there you have it. My 9-year-old grandson picked 4 locks in under 30 seconds. Thank everybody for watching today, and remember, keep it legal. Only pick locks that are yours and are not in use. Tell everybody bye, Christian.
Bye.